welcome back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I am the co-founder at tennisforthekids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Just one second. Hello. Yeah, sorry. So let me just minimize the screen. Perfect. And I'm going to keep you guys here. So today we are going to learn about flattening nested lists in Python. Okay. So first, here we have method 1. So nested list. So we have wait, let's remove this first. Okay, so we have this list. Like, this is kind of a nested list because inside a list there's another list and another list and like that, right? So now we are making a variable flat list, and we're doing some nested list and these square brackets. So what is the sum method do is basically that it makes this a list, basically a one-dimensional array or list, whatever you want to say. So this sum method makes it a one-dimensional array, and this means basically like this only takes an inner and out. It should be nested lists, but it takes only inner and outer. For example, here we put a list, another bracket list, so we are going to get we're going to get this, because this sum only takes like one, sorry, like it takes only inner and outer lists like this, right? So that is why when we print we get this. Alright, I hope you understood method 1. Oh, sorry. Okay, now we have method 2. Sorry. Yeah. So in method 2, we have again another. Excuse me. Just give me a second. I'm bringing water for myself. 1 second. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm back. Just 1 second. All right. So here we have a list in which we have a lot of lots kind of like we have lists, we have tuples, we have sets, we have dictionary, and like this. Now we are making flat list, and we are making an empty list or array, you can say. So we're doing for I in nested list. Alright. So for I in nested list, so first of all we get this list, right? So we get this list in I. Now for k in I, now what does k do? It takes each element of that list what I has got. So first when it goes, I has got 1, 3 and 4, this array, right? So when we do for k and I, it's going to access its elements. Basically, first it's going to take 1. Then it's going to do flat list dot append k. So basically, we have got this number 1 over here in our flat list empty array, and now it's not empty anymore. And like this, it will keep on going on and get the whole array. Now, when we run this, you must be seeing here, we are getting E, O, and T. We are not getting the values. That is because that when we do like this a for loop on this, and we don't mention that we want a value or we want keys or both, so then what it does, it gets only the keys. All right. Now we have printed flat list, so we get this. Okay. Now you must be having another question, that we have a set over here. So, like when we are printing every time, why aren't we getting it in a random order? Right? That must be your question. It was my question also. So that is because it doesn't, sorry, just a bit hiccups. So it doesn't change the order, because while it is appending, like it's not appending it in a set way, right? It's not appending a set, it is just appending the elements. It doesn't know it's a set, right? So we are just getting the elements, nothing related to sets. That is why it doesn't change the order. The way it is appended in the flat list, that's how the order we get. Alright. Now our third method is the same method. Sorry, is the same method, but it's just that okay, sorry. So okay, so we have a flat list. Just one second, guys. Sorry guys, actually my computer was lagging, so that is why I had to pause the video. But here, let's see method 3. So as I was saying, method 3 is the same method 2, but it is just that we are reducing the line. This code is in 3 lines. Like this is such a like this, so this is the same method basically, but we have reduced the lines, right? So let's see. So we first have nested list, this array, list, and then we do flat list is equals to k for I in nested list for k in I. Sorry. So basically for I in nested list, for we get this, and then for k in I, that we get each elements, and this k basically means that we get all the k's value, basically append, right? Now when we print flat list, we get this array. Guys, I hope you liked my video. This was it for today, and yeah, thank you guys. Bye, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Dab 3. Oh wait, 3 2 3 2 1 go. Bye guys.